Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert an image into your Word document. So if you want to insert a graph, a chart, or maybe a clip art into your document, then I'll show you how to do this. In this example, we'll be using the Microsoft Word Online, which is available from your Outlook account, and this is the Office 365 package. So here I'll go ahead and go to my Outlook account. From there, I'll go ahead and open up my Word. And here I'll choose a document which I've already created before. Now on this document, I want to go ahead and insert an image. So I'll go ahead and click on the second page. From the top here, I'll go ahead and click on Insert. And now here, I'll click on Picture. Now from here, I've got 4 choices. I can do it from this device, from OneDrive, stock images, or search from the web. So here, I'll go ahead and click on Stock Images. This will look through the Office 365 catalog of images, and from there you can go ahead and choose. And once your image is in your document, you can go ahead and resize it. If you want to move it anywhere you like, you can go ahead and right click on it, click on Text Wrap, and then you can go ahead and click on Inline with Text. So now you can go ahead and move it wherever you like. So there you go guys, that is how to insert an image to your Microsoft Word document online. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.